You know, who is known as the father of the English language? Geoffrey Chaucer is known as the father of the English language. He was born in London sometime between 1340 and 1344. He was an English author, poet, philosopher, courtier, and diplomat. In the history of English literature, 14th century is called the Age of Chaucer. He reshaped English and turned it into a standard position. Written at the end of his life, the Canterbury Tales is Geoffrey Chaucer's best-known work. It is a collection of 24 stories told by a group of 30 pilgrims who travel from Southwark to Canterbury to visit the shrine of Thomas Becket. Without a doubt, Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales endures as a masterpiece of English literature. Thanks for watching Miss English.
Subscribe Miss English.